Here's a look at today's assignment. Tomorrow you are going to have a quiz on algebraic equations. So today is the review and it looks identical to what your quiz will be. The learning targets are, I understand that different expressions can represent the same situation. I can write an expression that matches a given situation. I can use variables, which are the letters, in an expression to fit a general situation. And I can explain how to create an expression to fit a general situation. The first slide. If x equals the same number in both of these sequences, how much does x equal? So on the bottom right, we have the two sequences. The first sequence is x plus x plus x plus 5, and the second is x plus 6. We know that x equals the same in both of these. To find x, you'll take 6 minus 5. How did the frog jump in each sequence? Hint, add up all the numbers for each one, and after finding what x equals, it'll be the same for each one. So everywhere there's an x, you'll put the number that it represents. So the number you got for the first question when you subtracted 6 minus 5. You'll plug in that number for each x, add them up to see how long the sequence is. Solve these equations. Substitute the letters or variables with the numbers they equal. Multiply them to the number they are next to and then complete the expression. So 2 times x plus 6. Remember, when the letter or variable is next to a number, you are multiplying it. So it would be 2 times x. X equals 2. So it'd be 2 times 2 plus 6. The next one, 25 minus 3r plus 2. So it would be 3 times r. R equals 3. So you do 3 times 3 to get what number would go there. Then 4c minus 12. C is equal to 5. So you would do 4 times 5 minus 12. And the last slide, solve these equations. Again, you're going to plug in the number that x or y represents. So x plus 1, and x equals 2. So it'd be 2 plus 2 plus 1. X plus 4 plus x plus 2, x equals 4. So you'd plug in 4's where there are x's. And y minus 3, y is equal to 5. So what do you get when you solve those equations?